Welcome on board your Orbit Airlines flight. Before we take off, we are going to give you an important safety briefing. So keep an eye on the cabin crew or the screen in front of you. Every aircraft is different, so it is important to pay attention to us even if you've flown with us before. Today you're flying on Orbit DC-10-30. Before takeoff, please make sure your cabin baggage is stowed in the overhead locker, or under the seat in front of you. All electronic devices must be completely powered off at takeoff or landing. Before you turn it off, make sure you turn off cellular, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities by switching to flight mode and turning it off. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle. Undo the seatbelt by pressing the button. You must have your seatbelt on low and tight, during takeoff, landing or whenever the seatbelt sign is on. While seated at other times, we require you to have your seatbelt fastened. In the unlikely event of an emergency, it is important you know the brace position, relevant to seat. In economy, if you can reach the seat in front of you, brace by folding your arms on the back of the seat in front, and rest your forehead on your arms. If you cannot reach the seat in front of you, put your head on your knees or lean as far forwards as you can and hold on to your legs. Keep your feet firmly on the floor to prevent them from moving. The business brace position is the same as in economy. If you are seated in first class, your brace position is to sit upright, place your hands on your knees and bring your chin towards your chest. Take a moment now to find your nearest emergency exit, as the cabin crew now point them out. Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. A good way of remembering your nearest exit is to count the number of rows between you and that exit. The cabin crew are now pointing out the lights that lead to the exits. This aircraft is fitted with escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency. If we do have to evacuate, you must leave all items you took onto the plane behind. A loss of oxygen at altitude may lead to unconsciousness. If emergency oxygen is required, a mask will drop from above. Pull down firmly to activate the flow of oxygen. Put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Once you're breathing normally, you can help others. Make sure you're familiar with the location and use of your life jacket. In economy, it is under your seat. If you're in business, it is next to your leg rest. In first, it is inside your leg rest. The crew members are now demonstrating how to put your life jacket on. Remove the life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Slip the jacket over your waist, put the strap around your waist, clip the waist strap at the front, then tighten. The life jacket comes with a red tag and mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light for attracting attention. And remember, only inflate the life jacket when you are outside of the aircraft. Take a moment now to see where your life jacket is located. If you are not sure, please ask the cabin crew. Smoking is a fire hazard and is not permitted on anywhere on any aircraft. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. In preparation for your flight, ensure your seat is upright and your tray table is stowed. And in case you have missed any of this, please refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket. Please remember, the cabin crew are here to look after you, so follow their instructions at all times. Now settle back, and enjoy your Orbit flight. Please read the health and safety information in the information section of the Orbit magazine. This information will help to make your flight more comfortable.